All right, what's happening, family? It's your boy Creative back at it again. Go ahead, say it with me. We are back at it again to do what? To create something great. Now, I'm not going to hold you. I'm super excited what I have planned for y'all today. We're coming to the tail end of the work that we've been doing. Now we're going to be creating the algorithmic trading bot for our AI breakout strategy that we have been working on. So if you're not familiar with what I'm discussing, this is a bot that we've created, or strategy, not the bot yet. We're going to be creating the bot. This is a strategy that we've been working on for the past few sessions here. And what this strategy does, it is a breakout bands bot that trades QQQ and 0 DTE options, right? So now what we're going to be doing is taking this strategy and actually creating the Algo trading bot for it that's going to be using the strategy and hopefully being able to make us some cheese. You feel me? So what I'm going to do is let's go ahead and pop up a session of Claude Code, and I'm going to be using the 4.6 Opus model. Now I have two different project files that we have, right? This is where I keep my bots, and this is where I create the strategies. So this is bots, this is strategies. So now we're going to be working on bots, right? So what I need to do is go ahead and grab the strat, but one thing I need to do is update to 150. So for those that haven't already, I need you to go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in Codex for this one. Hold on. Oh shit. Hold on. Wait. AI Baby Breakout. All right. So what I want to do is I'm going to bring in Codex for this one, and you're going to see why. Yeah, let me bring in Codex, and you're going to see why. I'm going to use Codex to be able to clean up our prompt, to be able to make this a little bit easier when it comes to prompt engineering, right? And so Codex is the OpenAI's version of Claude Code. I like to use it this way, right? So Codex is when I need a quick question, more research, and being able to discuss a project. And when I'm actually going to code, I only use Claude Code. I don't let Codex touch my code at all. Reason being so is because I don't trust it right now, because it is prone to hallucination. I trust Claude Code a lot more with being able to touch the code. So what I'm going to say is we are working on creating another algo trading bot. What we need is a prompt for Claude Code such that we can get this done. This bot is going to be trading. Did I put you here? Okay, hold on. Copy. The following strat. We need you to provide a prompt such that we can get this done via the AI coding assistant. All right, bet. So what it's going to do is going to think, it's going to say, all right, I appreciate you for letting me know what you want to do. Now, here's your prompt. There's no readme. I'm going to expect the existing bot and the nearby project structure so I can draft a Claude Code prompt that is specific enough to be able to get this done. So it's reviewing all of our other bots information. All right, bet. That's fine. I was going to do that anyway. And it's going to output a prompt any day now. It's not like we're waiting for you or anything. You know what I should do? Let me bring back the whole waiting music. Give me a second. Oh, come back here. I'm going to bring back the waiting music since we're waiting. Here we go. Let me just turn that down a bit. I'm gonna start funking. All right. What we need to build. Underlying requirements. There's the strat. Do not port the backtest simulation. Fill probability. Okay, beautiful. Keep the code modular, production oriented. Reuse the existing patterns, help it with appropriate behavior. Avoid copy and paste large amounts of code, add concise comments only with logic that's not obvious. I love it. All right, beautiful. So here's our prompt. You are working on, beautiful. So what I want to do is beautiful. Copy. One thing that I did forget is the whole you are a senior Python developer with expertise and 0 DTE algo trading bots. Boom. Explain in 5 to 8 sentences that you get what we are working on here, and also review. Learning is whenever like Claude Code learns something new, right? Whether it's being able to say, hey, there's an anti-pattern thing when it comes to using async, right? Or being able to have a parquet file error, right? I have it put it here so we don't have to repeat issues, right? So I want it to be able to review this learning. All right, beautiful. Then advise before we get this sprint underway, brother. So this is probably going to do it one of two ways. It's probably going to spawn a few sub agents in order to assist it to get it done. Then once that, okay, beautiful. Then once it's ready to be able to get it done, then I'll just turn up the hold music, and I'm just going to let Claude Code do the majority of the talking here to get this working. Because it's pretty straightforward from here, right? The hardest part was being able to create the strategy. Now we have the strategy. It's just a matter of letting the AI do its thing, right? Not get in its way, but being able just to, all right, I'm looking at you. And let me just make sure you get it. Key understandings of the mission, and here's the key lessons to carry forward. We went from 0 to 18%. That's kind of crazy. All right, I fully understand what we're building here, Bruvy. Get the fuck out of here. We're converting this AI Breakout Baby backtest, the Kalman filter based breakout strategy on QQQ 1 minute with K, and smoothing adaptive bands and slope confirmation into a production ready live paper trading bot that slots into the existing fleet. This bot trades 0 DTE strategies in the morning, max trade 1 with tight exits. Oh, I didn't try more trades. That's crazy. And that was just on one trade. Imagine if I do two. Nah, the edge is one. The edge is one. With tight exits and 2 minute stop loss, trailing stops at 5.6%. I've built a modular split file mirroring this breakout baby. Yes. All right, here's some of the key learnings to take forward. All right, ready to dive into the reference bot to start the implementation. Say the word and I'll kick off the sprint. All right. What I want you to do is review. All right. Review breakout baby. And then once you get it, let's lay out the task. Then jump into our work to create this bot here. Oh, you're gonna spaz on me, huh? You ain't gonna let me. So now what we're having Claude Code do is go ahead and review the repos of some of our other bots that we have, right? So it can proper get what it's doing, how it works, right? Then once it has that, then it's going to move forward with being able to create our bot. Excuse me, we have already created the strategy. All right, here's what I'm building. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I love it. Okay, you're missing a few files. you're missing a few files. Check again, then advise. It's missing. You're missing a lot, bruv. Check again and advise before we get this underway. Want to make sure we do this correctly. I don't want to just go through and be like, all right, you're missing this, you're missing that, you're missing this, bro. Just come on, get right. Get right, bruvy. Get right. And it's probably going to compact like 2 or 3 times doing this too. Look, it went from 18 to 57%. All right, signal detector, option selector, positions, market data, utilis, construct. Okay, here we go. You're still missing. Okay, let me go through this one more time. That's my cross. Okay, account tracker. You don't have. Okay, you have the account tracker. Where's okay? Option. Okay, you doubled that. Make sure you don't. Okay, that's why is 7 twice. Okay, so you're spazzing. Okay. All right, let's get this in. Max trade 1 day, simple main cooldown gets moved. Okay, reentry, order reuse. Okay. Yeah, we can skip it. No. We are going to add the chart module here, and everything else looks good. Let's get this started. Proceed. Wait. Take pride in your work, and you are not allowed to use mocks or anything that is not real implementations here. All right, Gucci. Let's go back to whole music. I'm just gonna restart this one because this track slides. I'm going to cheat a little bit. I'm going to bring in another Claude Code to be able to fix some of these errors while the main one is working on the actual bot, so we can be a little bit more efficient here. All right, so just follow me. Doing is being able to have a few different, hold on, let me turn this down. We're having two Claude Code sessions up right now running. One is creating the file, another is double checking the work. just to make sure that we're good. I like to do it sometimes just to be able to separate the delegation. Like I have a team of coders, right? This one's the main lead coder that is doing the work, and this is the QA that's double checking the work to make sure that it's Gucci. There's nothing that is going to leave us out. Okay, bet I just made the main bot file. Now the charts and the test modules are back. All right, so you're gonna let me know. Beautiful. I thought you were gonna need 2 sessions for this. I appreciate that, brother. All right, all 32 passed. There's some backtest charges live. I'm gonna go with the live. Rename the confusion if okay. My recommendation, remove the 2 times from the backtest since the config variable is already named. Okay. All right, so let's get this done. Proceed. So you're gonna do that bit. Okay. Did it run it right? Is it a pot? Option selecting failed only because the import. Okay. Wait, fucker. I told you not to create any fake, mock, or anything that is not real when doing this. That includes test as well. Fix, then run in using Python, not Python 3. All right, Gucci. You're about to compact. All right, beautiful. So let's double check this. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have our bot. I'm not going to hold you. I need to like make this look better. But that's going to be on my time, not yours. So for right now, we do have our bot that is ready to go, fam. We were able to do the work, and here's our bot. We went from strat to bot, right? So that's what's up. We went from strat. Now we have our bot development, and the next thing we're going to be paper trading this. So I really do appreciate y'all for being able to stick by and being patient with me as we do this. There's a couple of things here that I just need to fix and being able to get a little bit better, but again, that's going to be on my time, not your time. And I'll make sure to being able to drop consistent update videos so y'all can see how AI Breakout Baby is performing and doing. So if you haven't already, I need you to go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button. It is your boy Creative. I'll be back at it again with another episode.